We are back in level 3 lockdown. Yay! Anyway, today I have my spark plugs, so I get to put them in the car and hopefully get full boost and no misfires. For some weird reason, these plugs are 15s, not 16s, so I had to go out specially and buy a 15 long socket to do them. Oh, this is quite hot. BMW strikes again. It's too fat. So I gotta grind it down. Okay, cool. Not only too thick, too long. The tube in through the cam cover into the head, they don't align, like it's not straight. So my brilliantly carved down socket worked on 4 of the plugs, but spun on 2. So I had to go. Problem being, it's a hex, right? And the plugs are a star. I went and got the actual socket, and now I need to carve it down again. I think I can probably deduce the misfiring problem. The coil packs don't go in quite as far on these plugs. Weirdly, I didn't compare them, but let's see if it starts. I'm not getting any codes or anything, so I'm pretty happy. Okay, gotta go test it. Engine light. We were doing so well. Damn. Is it time to switch the coils around and see if it's that or what? Well, there's 5 that misfired, so I'm just going to swap 5 out for another one and see if the cylinder that misfires changes. All I'm looking for here is to force another misfire. No misfire that time. If it doesn't misfire, that's great, but it did before, and that's not great. I did clean the end of the coil, maybe? I think we're actually okay. I mean, that was a lot of pulls. It feels really stupid going that speed and then having to slow down to a crawl to get up a curve. It seems like we're good with the car, which I'm very happy about. That was quite concerning to think that I was going to have to do coils and all that. So I got a bit of a touch up to do on the wheels because they were rubbing a bit before I lifted the rear. Just a little bit of paint. When you run out of masking film, you make do with what you got. Okay, nice and shiny again. Time to go rip it around.